saying that some arrogant things. This guy's he said I flew up 1 second for my
What? It's silent? Wait. That's not right. It shouldn't be. How did I get here? Oh God. Wait, how long have I been here for? Hello? Who? What? You did this? Maybe I can find a way out. But then what? I don't have anywhere to go. It's not like I can go back to them. There's no way they're gonna want to see me. What am I gonna do?